These restrictions imposed are not going to ease up anytime sooner, but an SOP by Himachal Tourism and Disaster Management states that non-Himachalis can travel to Himachal on the basis of an entry pass and a negative RT-PCR report, which shouldn't be more than 72 hours old, or if you don't have an RT-PCR test, you have to quarantine for 14 days, for which the Tehsil village will be informed. Meanwhile, in Chandigarh, we still have weekend lockdown where only essential services are allowed on Saturdays and Sundays. But the Chandigarh administration has given nod on the morning walk from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. every day. And you can always get the food delivered at your place on all the days. I don't know how long this pandemic is going to take. Therefore, you can invest your time to prepare yourself for a better life and health. So, I am gonna check the cycling routes in Chandigarh with many new routes and paths that have been set up with clear instructions on the road. Now, I am going to be helping all of you out. If you are also one of those who want to come on these routes along all the margs from north to south and from east to west in Chandigarh. Chandigarh had always been a happening place for sports enthusiasts, so you can do walking, running, cycling. Then there are open gyms in the public parks and gardens. Then if I talk about clubs which are managed by the government as well as the private organizations, let's send the membership for swimming, table tennis, lawn tennis, roller skating, horse riding, rowing, golf, rifle shooting and many other games. I think I can show you the routes every week. I do my 50 kilometers target on weekends, and many people are doing it in a day that I get to know from the Starva app users. With this city now offering very advanced mode of traversing in and around the city with all the road instructions clearly mentioned. So let's do a ride en route the cycle track from Sector 22 to YPS roundabout Mohali along the Himalayan Marg. Okay, some tracks are built recently, let's check them. It's better to ride on them on weekends because at that time you don't have to rush between the traffic, and there is very less traffic on the cycle tracks as well. Best timings are between 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. Can easily manage to do a 25-kilometer ride. Many individuals, either driving heavy motors or light motors, are using their own allotted space for driving the vehicles. It's all green and clean everywhere. The roadsides are covered with the dense greenery of the old branched trees, providing enough shade during high daytime for cyclists for traveling. Many daily wages, barbers, cobblers, tea sellers, food vendors, vegetable fruit vendors have their carts under these dark shaded green trees. Though each sector in Chandigarh comes up with its own unique look, really it's very difficult to replace them between the sectors. It's an old city now, and believe it or not, the most numbered government establishments are there in Chandigarh. Like I can name few from courts, secretariat, passport office, Chandigarh Consumer Forum office, and many charitable testing centers and hospitals are there in Chandigarh. And among and apart from these, the Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal state management offices are also there in Chandigarh. So, Bureau of Indian Standards, if you have heard, is in Chandigarh, and among many reputed hotels, industries, schools, hospitals, research institutes, libraries, sports complexes are there in this city. So, what's in abundance that is found in Chandigarh is the number of schools, police stations, markets, dispensaries, and health centers. These are the most numbered which you would be finding in each of the sector in each sector of the Chandigarh. I'm I'm making I'm not naming everything. That's upon you to come here and explore. The tracks are quite devastated after it downpours, but they get cleared as soon as the MC is pressed into the services every morning, every day. The bad part of Chandigarh are the beggars. You will find plenty of them on the light points. I have never opened my car windows since the COVID arrived. Can't do anything about them, but the Chandigarh administration is just not helping to keep these people away, because under State Disease Control and Prevention Society, they are the biggest threat. I had to come down from the path. Littering. They are littering everywhere, so you can avoid the dedicated cycle track in Sector 35 Himalayan Marg. Roads are quite bumpy, because if I speak about the number of cyclists on average are more during the peak hours, then these cycle track plan literally fails. In southern sectors close to Mohali on the Vikas Marg, there is no dedicated cycle track. It's a bit uneasy to cycle in Mohali, but the roads are quite wider and there isn't much traffic. So I'm going to end this video. See you next time on my travel journey with Travel With Me vlogs. Keep watching, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for next video notification. Be safe and wear a mask.